Have you ever wondered what is the best way to study? Well, today we're going to look at a few helpful tips. Use them, change them, and see what works best for you. So number 1, create a memory palace. So I would like you to close your eyes and now picture the different rooms in your house. Do you see the kitchen, the bedroom, the bathroom, and the living room? If you have more places, think of those rooms as well. Now, think of 2 objects in your house. It can be the kettle. It might be your Lego pieces. It might be cups. Whatever it is, your brush. Think of 2 objects. Now, finally, place them somewhere in your house. So think of those 2 objects. Where will you place both of them? The one might be in the kitchen, the other one might be in the bedroom, one might be in the bathroom, the other might be in the living room. Okay, now we are going to use those objects to help you compare or match the things that you want to learn with those objects. So for instance, I'm going to use the 4 times tables. Let's pretend that's what we want to learn. So I have thought of a cup that will best suit this activity, and I'm going to use the cup to help me learn my 4 times tables. Now, how am I going to do that? Well, number 2, you will have to explain the concept to someone else. So it basically means teach someone what you want to learn. So I want to learn 4 times tables. So first of all, grab a piece of paper and write down the name of the concept. So for instance, I'm going to write 4 times table. Then secondly, write down what the concept means. What is the definition? And how will you explain it to someone? Well, in my case, I'm going to say it means adding the same number 4 times. That's what 4 times table mean. And number 3, identify what you don't understand about the concept. With other words, see what you still don't know about the thing that you want to learn and go back to your study material or video. Now, for instance, 4 times 7 equals, I forgot what it means. I'm going to circle it and I'm going to try to figure it out using my cups. So, I'm going to place 7 cups in a row. Now, I need to add 3 more rows. In total, 4 rows of 7. That's how many I have. So 4 times 7 equals 28. And number 4, review or go over your explanation. Does your definition make sense to you? Once you have done that, number 3, you will have to practice doing tests. So you can draw up your own, or you can Google a few tests and do them. Number 4. Now, how do you start studying? Take frequent breaks during study. So work for 25 minutes, take a break for 5 minutes. Work for 25 minutes, take a break for 5 minutes. Work for 25 minutes and take a break for 5 minutes. Now, what can you do during your 5-minute breaks? Well, you can go for a walk, you can phone a friend, or you can draw or read something else. Most importantly, do something fun. Now, what should you avoid while studying? Definitely having the TV in the background. Number 2, listening to music with lyrics. You'll just end up singing the songs. And number 3, do not study in bed. Bed is for sleeping. And very important, remember, sleep on time, exercise, and eat healthy. Have you ever wondered what is the best way to study?